sorry, ma'am. Honestly, I don't know what the problem is. She usually works just fine.
What do you want?
My name is Pete. I called earlier. Is this a bad time?
The guy with the lawnmower.
Yeah.
Where's it at?
I made sure it had gas. There's nothing stuck in the blades. It just wouldn't start.
Did you get it fixed?
No. The weird guy's still working on it. Said I can pick it up at 3.
Hey, Pete.
Yeah, Mike.
What's the opposite of scissors?
See you later, Mike. Mr. Midler? Mr. Midler? I'm here to pick up my lawnmower.
You've collected the necessary items for our brew.
Yes, my beautiful queens.
Bravo, noble servant.
With this, we shall raise our undead army.
Your performance has proven most exemplary.
Anything for you, my beautiful creatures of the night.
And they're making a zombie army, and he had a glass thing with blood in it, and they had these triangle things on their foreheads.
Dude, calm down. You're just stressed out. You're probably just imagining things.
I imagined nothing. I saw what I saw.
Do whales have mating seasons?
I don't...
The movie Shark Tale said they did, but I don't know if that's accurate.
Mike, are you listening?
Sweet Littlefoot, do you remember the way to the Great Valley?
I guess so. But why do I have to know you're gonna be with me?
I'll be with you, even if you can't see me.
What do you mean if I can't see you?
I'm looking for Peter Hammond.
Mr. Midler? How did you find me? This is my wallet.
You left it on my kitchen floor.
Mr. Midler, I swear I was just
You
actually...
broke into my
No,
house.
Mr. Midler, that's not what happened.
You dishonored the queens and defiled the purity of our mission. And for that, you must die!
Holy fuck!
Open the door! Open the door, you damn heathens!
Oh, shit. Oh, we're gonna die.
I got an idea. Okay, when I say go, you're gonna open up the door.
Why the hell do you have a whip?
It's my mom. She left it at Thanksgiving.
What the fuck?
When I say go, you're gonna open the door, and I'm gonna whip the katana out of his hands.
Are you crazy?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Servant!
My queens.
Have you been told you could spill blood without our permission?
I'm sorry, my queens, but these two
We
right
do not
here...
care for what they did. All heretics will be dealt with only when we decide.
You have acted disgracefully, and for that, you must be punished.
No!
I apologize for our pet's behavior. He did not have the right to take your lives. No one's life is to be taken until we commence our day of judgment.
Cool, cool. When exactly is that day of judgment?
Oh, child. You don't want to ruin the surprise now, do you?
I guess not.
As a token of apology, I'd like to give you a gift.
A gift?
My sisters and I are as old as time itself.
We have lived countless lifetimes, seen empires rise and fall, watched as stars die.
We know all that was, is, and will be. If you'd like to partake in our immense knowledge, I will allow you to ask us one question.
What's the opposite of scissors?
The opposite of scissors is no scissors.
Wow.
Look, Simba, everything the light touches is our kingdom. Wow. A king's time as ruler rises and falls like the sun. One day, Simba, the sun will set on my time here and will rise with you as the new king. And this'll all be mine. Everything the light touches. What about that shadowy place? That's beyond our borders. You must never go there, Simba. But I thought a king can do whatever he wants. Oh, there's more to being king than just getting your way all the time. There's more. Simba. Everything exists together in a delicate balance. As king, you need to understand that balance and respect all the creatures, from the crawling ant to the leaping antelope. But Dad, don't we eat the antelope? Yes, Simba, but let me explain. When we die, our bodies become the grass, and the antelope eat the grass, and so we are all beings in the great circle of life. Good morning, sire. Good morning, Sasu. Checking in with the